Hey guys, welcome back to CloudRaga. So in previous video we talked about method references, and we have some decent idea about how to write method references and where you have to write method references. So condition is if you want to reuse a method, and again writing lambda expression like take more effort. Maybe it's not just one line, it may have some multiple calls out somewhere. So it's better if we have option, go for the existing method. Like we can reuse the implementation. Why we have to write one more logic or implementation apart from which is already present? So we can go for method reference in that condition. Okay. Today in this video we will see um, if we have static methods, right? Static methods. We have seen reference method reference with instance methods. What about if we have static methods? So going to create a class which says method reference with static um, methods. Tester, right? Okay, so method we have now. We see we already have a decent idea, so I'm not going to create a separate classes for multiple things. Right away I'll create this interface. Let's say calculator, and this is going to be function interface. So function interface is there, so this will ask us to write at least one abstract method, and that's the only thing you can have. So let's say public void add, and here it goes x comma int y, right? This is our abstract method ready. Now if I have to write some code for this, let's suppose I know lambda expression. So what I can do, I can write first of all its left side, so calculator, then its reference, then equals, and this again name can be anything, so I'm calling it a comma b, then arrow. We have to do some kind of addition here, so let's say sys out, and then a plus b, right? And again see just a one line, so even no need to give the body, and we are good with the lambda expression. And now we can say calculator dot add, and give the arguments like 2 3 whatever, and if I run this code it should give 5 here on the basis of arguments. So we are calling method implementation coming from the method reference. Okay, now idea is I want to call some method reference. So first requirement is there should be a method with the same signature, like this way, this one. So let's suppose I have a method here, public void sum. Again argument like return type doesn't matter, it could be anything like we saw in previous video, but argument should match here. Let's call this int p comma int q, and there goes the argument. Okay, and then what we can just say sys out, because we are not supposed to return anything, it's a void here. So sys out p plus q, right? So method is ready, but this is an instance method. Let's make it static. So as we have static method, that means no more instance required. We don't need to create instance of this class and use it for method reference. We can directly go for the method name by using the class name. Of course the class name is quite weird, but that's fine. So first of all let's create left section. There it is. Let's say calculator 2 equal sign. Now initially when we were working with instance method, so we have to create instance, but now we have static method. So use the class name like we did in core Java, then instead of using dot, use double colon and call the method name, that is sum, and no need to put parenthesis or something, just semicolon, and see it's done. No red line as of now. And if I say calculator 2 dot that, now which method you have to call, because it's a interface reference, so this says add. Always interface goes for the abstract method. So let's call 3 comma 7, and if I run this code we should get 10 here. So 5 and 10, there we go. So 5 is coming from the lambda expression, and this 10 is coming from this method, which is static method. So reference dot static method, that's how it works. So this is how we can write method reference. So now we can go for next topic. So stay tuned guys, and let's see what's coming next video. Till then.